When nature unleashes its incredible power, unexpected events can unfold in the blink of an eye. These moments captured on camera show just how unpredictable our planet truly is. Welcome to WebSky TV. This video is intended for awareness and learning, encouraging safe, mindful, and responsible choices in all environments. The reconstruction combines cockpit voice recorder CVR data with 3D animation to accurately illustrate the Boeing 727-200X BMNP incident sequence. A train came into contact with a stuck tractor trailer carrying heavy equipment in Redding, California on October 4th. The impact split the trailer and sent the equipment scattering, shutting down the railway for days. But thankfully, no one was hurt.
I can't believe it.
Dramatic dashcam footage from Lyon County. Nevada shows a truck tipping after taking a bend too fast, causing a food van to steer away to avoid contact. The truck carrying karaoke equipment tipped onto its side after losing balance, narrowly missing the van delivering supplies to a food bank. Fortunately, the container truck driver stayed in control and everyone remained safe. Two trucks unexpectedly made contact at an intersection, prompting a woman to quickly and calmly drive her car to safety. The removal of high-rise buildings involves carefully planned implosions or dismantling to safely bring down structures without affecting nearby areas. Crews use controlled charges, cranes, and cutting equipment while securing the site to protect workers and surrounding buildings. Yosemite National Park in California offers breathtaking views of towering granite cliffs, waterfalls, and lush valleys. Truly a natural wonder to admire. Okay, a sudden windstorm hit Bontum Subdistrict, Muang District, Khon Kaen around 5 p.m., causing noticeable damage. A different angle captured the intense moment in Din Dung, Bangkok, as high-rise buildings swayed during the 7.7 magnitude earthquake on March 28th. Many residents exited their apartments in concern, and local traffic and transit systems were briefly closed for inspections.
Dios. Madre mía.
Loud blast. Another angle shows crews setting off controlled charges to free the dolly from the Key Bridge debris near Baltimore.
Down.
Heavy rain triggered a landslide in Dokun Colony. Safety tip: always stay alert when approaching railroad tracks. Never try to cross if a train is approaching. Avoid distractions like headphones or phones, and only cross at designated points to help prevent accidents. Ever wanted to drive on a road that looks like it's floating on water? This surreal scenic route at Pintian Lake in Anhui, China, might make you question what you're seeing.
Dobra.
Watch the Oblot AF2 Grumman ESA showcase its full capability, a rare look at a machine built for precision and control.
Ty patrz, ty. Patrz. Dobra, ja ląduję. Przygotuj swojego i zobaczymy różnicę między tym a twoim.等等，先不要放手，地震。
Earthquakes happen when powerful underground forces suddenly release energy, causing the ground to move intensely.
Whoa.
On camera.
Hey boy. Holy crap, John.
Hey, Poppy.
I got that. Did you? I got that.
I'm fine now. This guy's.
Oh my.
Che grosso. Oh.
Watch out.
Did you get it?
Oh, of course I got it.
What was that?
Ồ, phát tay chân lên.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Holy.
Oh, you good?
Yeah.
Oj, 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 oj.
It's so narrow. Look at that.
You said it's a gay for it, then go see another rapper. Oh! 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 Man, this too, man. Excuse me! Hey, stop that shit! You're gonna get down!
We hope these clips remind everyone to stay careful and alert on the roads. Stay safe, stay aware, and remember, one mistake can change everything. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Bye.